Hi guys, JM De La Cruz here, your financial MIU. May nagtanong kasi sa akin kung paano daw ba maging isang financial advisor. Una, kailangan mong umattend ng career orientation ng company na gusto mong applyan. Doon sa career orientation, ilalatag sa iyo lahat yung mga kailangan mong malaman like company background, work description, perks, benefits na makukuha mo, as well as yung mga requirements na kailangan mong isubmit as part of the hiring process. Number two, take and pass the Insurance Commission licensure exam. Since this profession has a license at regulated ng government, kailangan mo mag-exam sa Insurance Commission. Once makapasa ka sa exam ng Insurance Commission, um, kailangan mo mag-submit ng coding and licensing requirements at mag-undergo ng training kung saang company ka nag-apply. So, kung interesado ka na maging financial advisor, i-PM mo lang ako at isend ko sa iyo yung details kung kailan yung next na career orientation ng company na pinasukan ko at para maging isang financial advisor ka na rin dito sa Pilipinas. So, see you. Thanks.